Welcome to day 3 of our sneak peeks for our release for February. I'm working with a stamp set that will be in your box of the month and the junior box of the month. And today I'm going to make a really cute project. I'm going to make this notepad out of this stamp here. And the stamp set is called Rainbow Notes. And I'm going to make a little gift pack. So I think you're really going to love the final result, so stick around. I'm going to do some coloring first. I wanted the coloring to be really bright and cheerful, so I'm using rainbow colors, really bright, nice bright red, orange, yellow, and blue. It's going to look really, really cute. So I'm going to play some music during the coloring, but before I do that, I did want to talk about our release. So our release is going to be on February 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. So you can head on over to the website and find all the new goodies. We have a new box of the month, a junior box, a stamp and die of the month, the paper pad club, the stamp of the month, and also you can shop a la carte for the new paper pads and coordinating ephemera. The dies will be listed on the website as well for the stamps that are in your box. And everything that was left over from the previous month will also be listed individually. So you can now grab the paper pad club from last month, which was the Arctic critters and the African critters. Really cute paper pads. And all the stamp sets from the box from last month. The princess stamps and the fairy stamps, those are available as well. So this year you can earn some rewards for being a subscriber. So after being subscribed for 6 months, you'll get this beautiful donut paper pad in your box. That does include the junior box and the large box of the month. When you hit 12 months, you'll get a beautiful 4x6 stamp set in your box. For being subscribed to the Stamp and Die of the Month and the Paper Pad Club of the month, you'll earn an enamel dot packet every 6 months in your package. Now to make the notepad, I'm going to take the coordinating die. I'm going to cut out my images, and then I'm going to take a bunch of copy paper, and then I'm going to run that through my Big Shot and create the inside of my notepad. I'm just going to staple it at the top to bind it all together, and it turns out really, really cute. So there's some sentiments in the stamp set that you could stamp in the cloud or in that longer space. And then on the inside of the notebook, I left the pages blank. That way the recipient can write some notes. So I'm going to make a coordinating card with this cute little notepad. I'm going to staple this together really quick here, and then I'm going to add a little bow to kind of hide the staple, and it looks really cute with a little bow on top. On February 1st at 10 a.m. Central Time, I'll be doing a live release party, so I hope you come and hang out. I'll be playing with the Stamp and Die of the Month with the Paper Pad Club of the Month, so you'll see that on the 1st. It should be really fun. I'll probably give away my creation, so that's always fun. So here is me assembling the card. Now I had these corrugated pieces of cardboard in my stash. I just folded it into a card base, and I thought that made a really fun card, made it look a little rustic, and then it looked really cute with the pop of color. So I'm using the little polka dot paper for my backdrop. Make sure I'm getting that on straight. And then we're going to add our little cloud at the bottom here. And I thought it'd be fun to add these little hearts, kind of acting as my little sequence on my card. I'm going to add a white panel to the inside so I could write my message. I'm going to add the other rainbow to the inside. Okay, so our inside is really cute, matches the outside. Now we're going to make a little holder for our little gift. All right, so I cut out a piece that I could fold directly in half, so it doesn't matter how long this is, as long as it folds in half, depending on how much real estate you want to decorate. And then you're just going to measure your bag across so that it fits in there. And now we can either staple this shut on both sides or glue it down with some tape, or however you want to do it. I think I'm going to try and staple this. And then you're going to fit your item inside. So I'm just going to put 2 staples on each side, like so. And now we can decorate the top. This is going to fit inside. And that will be able to tuck up in there a little bit. And then we'll have our little notepad in there. All right, and I can add some more goodies in here, but let's start decorating the top here. I'm going to use the other stamp set, or the other stamp called Create Your Own Rainbow Every Day, and I want to put that in the center, I think. Maybe on the side. We'll see how we want to decorate this, but I'm going to add another piece of paper to the top. This is from the Sweet Little Bird paper pad that comes in the box of the month. So it's got some really cute birds, really pretty colors, little raindrops, beautiful birds, and cool little patterns, subtle patterns that you can mix and match with the bird patterns. But I'm going to do like a more subtle pattern at the top here, and I want to bring in this color here. So I'm going to use this one here. And I'm just going to let some of that brown show just like I did on the card. So I cut this panel down to 5 by 2. Gives it a nice little border. Again, I'm going to use that tacky glue. The only thing I don't like about this glue, it gets very thick and then it gets hard to push out of the bottle. If anybody has a tip for that, let me know in the comments down below. Maybe if I cut the top off and make it a thicker hole, that might help me. Let's see. Maybe this is meant to be cut off. All right, so now I have a bigger hole. I think that's gonna help. Yeah, I think that was the problem. I was trying to squeeze it out of that little hole. It's very thick, so it's gonna grab on to this really nicely. And again, I'll just lay something on top so it dries flat. While this is on top, I think I'm going to stamp out that really cute rainbow. I have some paper flowers in my stash I want to use. And I'm going to put a strip of gold across so that way it matches the card. I think I'm going to add the rainbow in the middle, and I want to see if I can find maybe a couple smaller flowers to add on this side. Okay, so I found some craft little flowers that I thought would match the craft theme, so I'm going to try that. I'm going to add a little sucker in there. So let's close this in from the back. So here is the finished project. It turned out really cute. So a cute little gift pouch for a crafty friend. Love this stamp here that says create your own rainbow every day. And then we have the cute little notebook inside and a matching card, a little sucker, and added some flowers to the top. And the recipient can open it from the bottom and keep the packaging for something else. So really, really cute. So I hope you enjoyed this, and meet us back tomorrow for another peek, and I will see you real soon. Bye guys.